Hello，大家好，我们今天把黄老板 Sheeran 的 Galway Girl 的第二部分搞定。第二部分比第一部分要简单一半，因为副歌我们已经学会了。那我们就直接开始吧。And then she beat me a dot, and then she beat me a pool, and then she kissed me like there was nobody else in the room. It's last word so cool was when she stood on the stool after dancing the Kaylee singing to trap tunes. Never heard Carrie Fergus ever sound so sweet. A cappella in the bar using her feet for a beat. Oh, I can have that voice playing on repeat for a week. And in the spectacle room where she was singing to me. You know she played the fiddle in an Irish band, but she fell in love with an Englishman. Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. Said, baby, I just wanna dance, my pretty little Galway girl. My Galway girl. My Galway girl. My Galway girl. 好，那第二部分大家也看到了，其实它新的内容也就是那么4句话，对吧？那我们就一个一个来看吧。这次应该就不用上慢速了，因为这一段比第一部分还是要简单很多哈。You know she beat me at darts, and then she beat me at pool. 好 ，You know she beat me at darts. 这个地方 beat me 它是 beat 停顿 me 对吧？这个 t 是蜻蜓点水，没有存在感的停顿，被吞了。at darts at 结尾的 t 也是一样的处理哈。And then she beat me at pool， 这个 beat me 也是一样的 at pool 也是 at t 被吞了and then 连一下。And then she kissed me like there was nobody else in the room。这一句话纯粹就是快，所以要熟练就可以。And then 连一下 ，she kissed me，kiss me 这个 kissed 结尾的 t 也是被吞掉了。Kiss me like there was like 结尾的 k 对吧？一样的吞。Like there was nobody else in the room，else in 连一下。And then she kissed me like there was nobody else in the room。这个 else 它是一个有点类似于一个鼓点吧，稍微要强调一下。好，然后下面 As last words were called was when she stood on the stool. As last words were called， 这个 orders were 连一下。Was when she stood on the stool. Stood on 连一下。After dancing the Kaylee singing to trad tunes， 这个地方 Kaylee 大家就是知道有没有看过River Dance 大河之舞？就是非常传统的爱尔兰的这种踢踏舞哈。那这里的 Kaylee， after dancing the Kaylee，dance the Kaylee 呢就有点像 MV 这个地方这个舞，大家看一下，挺好看的，就这种用脚比较多哈。然后是爱尔兰民间的那种交谊舞啊，或者是一大群人一起跳的那种哈，非常非常欢乐的传统的民族舞。然后 sing to trad tunes， 这个 trad 是 traditional 的缩写，就是也是传统的这种iTunes 的 tunes 就是音嘛，就是音乐哈。好，然后这个地方的发音就是 Kaylee 哈 ，Kaylee singing to trad tunes。I never heard Carrie Fergus ever sound so sweet。这个 Fergus 它 fer 是强调的一个音节 ，Carrie Fergus ever sound so sweet。这个 Carrie Fergus 也是爱尔兰的一首很有名的民谣哈。然后 a cappella in the bar you sing her feet for a beat。这个 a cappella 就是阿卡贝拉对吧？蛮美妙的一种演唱形式。只用人声、纯人声来代替乐器的演奏。In the bar, you sing her feet for a beat， 用她的脚来作为节拍。那它的发音上呢，就是 you sing her feet for a beat， 这个 feet 结尾的 t 被吞掉了，有没有 ？For a beat beat 结尾的 t 也是稍微弱一点点。Oh, I could have that voice playing on repeat for a week. Oh, I 连起来很快。Oh, I could have that voice。Could 结尾的 d 是不是也被吞了？Could have that voice playing on repeat for a week. Playing on repeat for a week. 这个 for 连一下，然后 repeat 结尾的 t 也是很弱的哈，没有存在感的。And in this packed out room where she was singing to me. And in 连一下 packed out room 就是挤满了人的房间哈 ，packed out 就是塞满了人的哈 ，pack 我们有时候 打包行李，对吧？往里面装，所以就是装满了的意思。In this packed out room space, she was singing to me. She was singing 3连 ，she was singing to me. 好，然后后面就到了副歌部分啦。我们第一次已经讲过啦，那我们就飞快的略过哈。You know, she played the fiddle in an Irish band. 连一下哈 ，an Irish band. Play the fiddle 就是那个弦，小提琴，所以这里代指小提琴。But she fell in love with an Englishman. Fell in 连一下 with an 连一下 with an English 3连。Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. 这句话就是很快，但是它的节奏呢是很规则的哈。Kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. Neck and then I 这个地方要稍微局部的练一下，练熟就好了。Neck and then I, neck and then I, neck and then I kissed her 连一下 ，kissed her on the neck and then I took her by the hand. Said baby I just wanna dance. 这个 wanna 哈 want to 变成 wanna，在口语和这个唱歌里面。这种处理还是很常见的，对吧 ？I'm gonna, I wanna, my pretty little Galway girl， 这个 girl 啊，第一次也强调过，它就是舌头一个后空翻，向后卷，然后呢再往门牙根部去抬，girl 有2个步骤，一个是后空翻卷舌，第二个呢就是往门牙的根部那个地方顶一下，抬一下。really 那个girl， 好，那以上呢就是第2部分的讲解啦，后面大家可以自由发挥，我们下期再见，希望大家有什么建议可以多多提出来，我们会根据大家的反馈来调整视频的录制，那 see you next time， 拜拜。